I'm behind the velvet ropes of a Hollywood movie premiere. Getting the stars to stop and talk to me, almost impossible, unless I want to talk politics.
I'm with Hillary. I've been a fan of Hillary since I was in college.
Actor and comedian Asif Manvi is voting for.
I'm not supporting Donald Trump. I'll just say that. I'll give that much away.
It's no secret.
I'm with her.
Hollywood is giant L liberal.
I think it's an obscene amount of money.
Clinton's Hollywood fundraiser-in-chief George Clooney drew gasps when he charged more than $350,000 per couple at a recent event. But this town has been a lucrative stop on the campaign trail since the 1930s. Stephen Ross has chronicled the growing role Hollywood has played in American politics. In the era of social media and limitless political donations, he says, celebrity endorsements have never been more important.
You need eyeballs and you need money. And celebrity endorsements can get you both.
Clinton has deployed an entire red carpet's worth of actors, including Leonardo DiCaprio, Tom Hanks, and Morgan Freeman. Sanders has attracted a smaller but enthusiastic following of lesser stars like Danny DeVito, Spike Lee, and Sarah Silverman. Hollywood has largely shunned Trump, with the exception of a few noted thespians like Mike Tyson, Hulk Hogan, and Tila Tequila. But heading into this election, Trump and Clinton were already famous. And that's why the candidate who benefited most from Tinseltown stardust might be the relatively unknown Sanders.
What it is likely to do is have people who admire that celebrity give that candidate a second look.
With Sanders and Clinton virtually tied in California, even small stars could play leading roles.
This campaign is a confirmation of all
a midweek fundraiser starring actor Andrew Keegan. Thanks to a group of Hollywood production designers, this iconic coffee shop, a movie set for several big films, is about to get a facelift. But it's what's going on inside that really counts. Volunteers are collecting email addresses, supporters are writing checks, hoping for a Hollywood ending. Kim Brunhuber, CBC News, Los Angeles.